So here we are back in DC. It's well over a month after the riots, the Black Lives Matter movement and all the other stuff that was going on. Still lots of damage. It looks like this is going to be the new normal. Everything's going to be blocked off with plywood. It's the new look. Apparently some people are painting it, making it look a little nicer, but so it looks like they're using the plywood to do murals on now. So it's definitely got a different look. And here we are on the Black Lives Matter street that just got done. Here, read. They even changed the name right there. So a lot of the windows are boarded up, and it looks like they're putting the Black Lives Matter, so hopefully in the future they won't break these walls. Definitely a lot of police. Everything is closed. Well, a lot of things are closed. We still got this ATM over here that got destroyed. I mean, it's a shame. It does not look like America. Well, it sort of does, but these are definitely different times that we live in. Sorry for the glare. Can't help it. We'll just take a few blocks at a time here. See if we find anything else unusual. So they got these little marks all over the place, you know, where people should stand, and it's all about compliance now. You gotta stand here, you gotta wear this, you can't go there. They actually closed all the parks. You couldn't even go to the park. Now it looks like, at least over here, it looks like it's probably open. So let's check out this street. So once again, you just got police all over the place. The masks are required. So I'm not sure if they got police on every street and block like this, but definitely right here near the White House. I mean, they're everywhere, every couple feet. Department of Veteran Affairs. So it looks like here we go. Some brake damage there. We got some more over here. And over here. So obviously this is gonna cost some taxpayer dollars right there. All that glass. That's not your regular glass either. Wow. They've got quite a few windows here. it looks like the White House bridge or gate, whatever you want to call it, it's got moved away even further. It seems to be open right there, but I think that's because people are going in and out. But this is basically as far as you can get to the White House now. Just right up here to the street. So we'll see how long this lasts for. I mean, it kind of seems to be like everybody's back to normal, but we still got all the extra police, the plywood windows. Gotta cross the road real quick since we're allowed to now. So it looks like if you don't put Black Lives Matter on your walls, they'll do it for you. Well, there you go, guys. There's a tour of DC for you, so you don't have to come out here and do it yourself. As far as security goes, I think it's pretty safe to kind of walk around. Maybe avoid larger groups of people that look like they're just loitering. But for the most part, I mean, I think it's business as usual. Everybody's just still cleaning up and painting over and doing more boarding up and stuff like that. So, alright guys, thanks for watching.